Welcome, this is Carrie Shell from On Point Quilter. I'm going to show you how to draft a block in EasyDraw that can be pieced using 1.5 by 3.5 inch strips with folded corners added to the end of strip sets. On the block work table, select New Block, Pieced EasyDraw. Now let's change the block width and height to 6 by 6 and set the snaps at 6 by 6. Snapping options, just snap to grid. Start by taking the grid tool, and it should still be set at 2 by 2, and drag a grid from the upper left corner to the lower right corner. Now with the grid tool, change the number of columns to 3 and rows to 1, and drag a grid in the square in the upper left corner and another one in the lower right corner. Then change the number of columns to 1 and rows to 3 and drag a grid in the upper right corner and lower left corner. Next, we will add diagonal lines to create the heart shape. So with the line tool, draw 4 diagonal lines in the top section of the heart, and in the bottom, draw longer 45-degree triangles that cover the entire square. Select the Color tab and go back to Draw. Select the Pick tool and delete the lines that are in the lower left corner and lower right corner. Select the Color tab and use the same fabric collection to color the heart, and then select Add to Project Sketchbook. Check out the remaining tutorials for creating a heart-themed quilt at www.onpointquilter.com.